Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to transcribe recorded audio to text. Here are the steps to do it. First, open the Otter app. Launch the Otter app on your mobile device. Sign into your account. Log in with your email, Google, or Apple account. Go to the home screen. You'll see your recent conversations and options for new recordings. Tap the plus button. At the bottom right corner, tap the plus icon. Choose Import Audio or Video. From the pop-up, select Import to upload an existing file. Browse your files. Here, tap on Audio to filter audio only. Choose the recorded audio file, like MP3, WAV, M4A, etc., from your phone's file manager or audio folders. Tap the file to upload. Tap the file and tap Open or Upload depending on your phone model. Wait for upload to complete. After we upload the file to its cloud, make sure you're connected to the internet. Otter starts transcribing automatically. Once uploaded, Otter begins transcribing the audio to the text automatically. Wait for processing. The length of processing depends on the file size. You'll see a loading icon. View the transcript. When done, tap the new file on your home screen to open and read the full transcript. Edit if needed. Tap any part of the transcript to edit words, add punctuation, or correct names. Export or share. Tap the three dots, then tap Export Text to copy, save, or share the transcription as TXT, DOCX, or PDF. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.